All right. So, all right, we're at our city Ghatkopar today with
Prachi.
Prachi. Very nice to meet you.
Thank you. And same here.
Thank you very much. So, what has been your experience with dating apps? Which ones have you used?
So I have used Bumble and Hinge
Okay.
and Tinder as well, but I didn't use it for a while. But yeah, I've used Hinge quite a lot. I just recently deleted a week ago,
Okay.
and my experience with dating app is very bad.
Very bad.
As in, it's not the problem with the dating app. It's
Right.
the problem with people.
The people on it.
Yeah. So everybody just wants to get into flings.
Right.
And I guess dating app is the right app to meet someone. And
Sure.
see, it's a very rare possibility that you find your match,
person,
your partner.
right.
But then most of it I have found the guys that I have found are all
Creepy.
up for
Very
up for,
creepy
yeah,
guys.
up for play. And I am not up for that. I thought I'll just explore, but then that didn't go well.
It didn't work for you? Okay.
Yeah.
What's the worst message you've received on a dating app?
So
From any of these guys, any matches? Or Instagram even? I'm sure you must have gotten DMs on Instagram.
So it's about my physique.
Yeah.
Like in the first minute, how can you tell someone like how hot and sexy you look?
Yeah,
In a very creepy way.
in a bad way,
in
not
a
in a-
bad way.
right.
In a good way, that's fine. I look good,
Sure.
In a creepy way, I've got like many, not just once, a lot. On Hinge or on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fair. Thank you for sharing that.
And all the best for your app.
Yeah, no, thanks so much. How do you like swiping as an activity on dating apps?
So I am into entertainment business.
Okay.
So I don't have much time. So
Right.
my time is when I travel back home. So around 7 p.m. I go and explore. I guess that's the time when people while going home they explore and they just see.
Yeah.
So that's the time, and at night while before going sleeping I just check my app what is there.
Got it.
So that's the time.
Sure. How about this? Do you consider yourself a red flag or a green flag for guys?
I'm a
Green flag. Prachi's a green flag.
Green forest. Green flag. I'm a green forest.
You're a green forest.
Yeah.
Wow, that is such a nice way of putting it.
Yeah.
And then, what do you think are red flags in a guy? Like when you see a guy, what gives you the feeling that he's a red flag? Except the DMs, of course. Bad DMs, red flag. But apart from that,
When he doesn't put efforts.
put some efforts, guys.
Yeah, and when he's not honest.
Good.
When he's not honest, when he's not loyal.
Yep.
So I have got people on Hinge wherein, even if they want to get into flings, they just have said it to me. And
Sure.
which is fine.
Which they've been
Rather
upfront,
than,
right.
going ahead and then
Beating around the bush and like-
I don't like that.
Got it.
So but that is not like कि आओ और बस बता दो कि हाँ मेरे को करना है.
No, that is also not.
Yeah, but-
there should be a balance.
Yeah, not being loyal, not being honest,
Are all
and
red
not
flags.
putting effort is a red flag.
That's great. Final question before I let you go. What's the best compliment you ever received?
So, I am a little awkward and overwhelmed also.
Right.
Someone just called me goddess. Like legit goddess. I'm like, no,
Goddess.
that is not something I can take. So that is something
That's-
I don't know how to.
That's overboard. That's
Yeah.
like too much of a
Too
compliment.
much of a compliment. I'm like, no, इतना भी नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
No, but इतना नहीं चाहिए. But goddess, no. I can't be goddess.
Good.
Yeah.
And then absolute
In a
last.
legit goddess way, huh?
Yeah, like
You call
this.
people goddess, but this is legit goddess way.
Yeah.
This is not something you do.
Good. And then ultimate last question. What is the best way for a woman to keep a man? Like how do you keep a man?
So basically, I'll tell about myself.
Yeah, please.
So I am someone who puts a lot of effort,
Wow,
and I
great.
love to do things for people. Not in general for a boy, but for people, for
Yeah.
my people, the people I like.
Yeah.
I like to do things for them. So I would suggest everybody, whether it's a girl or a boy,
Put in the
put in effort.
Love
That
it.
matters a lot, and maybe the point of view changes.
Absolutely. Well, it has been an absolute pleasure talking with you. I'm Rushabh.
Thank you so much.
Let me get your Instagram so that